driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go. Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
Flamingo Canal. In the late 1800s, they had two guys, Flagler and Clamp, at this.
You will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
Caleb was very protective of the beans.
What do we got here, guys?
A piece of the moose. Hey yo, what is up guys? This is our vlog for the first time camping. We got my dad here who's in charge of the video. So
Come closer because you're not in the light.
alright.
What's going on over here, man?
Well, we are making an incredible feast that me and my mom, mostly my mom, who is filming the camera right now, shout out to her, helped out with. We are running chicken, steak that is already cooked over there, with the best marinade you've ever heard. We're running grilled corn and protected corn, and some pork beans. which is one of my dad's favorites.
Kosher beans. Delicious.
And
They made this amazing fire, and I had to go charge the car.
Yay, we did it!
Come on, King Marshmallow.
hello, this is the Marshmallow Ninja. Marshmallow can hear you. You speak negative, it's gonna get sad and try to slip off and run away from you.
Zen in the art of marshmallow.
Right? Oh, that's perfect.
That was well done.
And I'm gonna do the other side.
Let me stand next to your fire. I am the fire starter.